Alright, so my bro did some kind of dumb last night. The lights were coming on and off on the truck for no reason. So he disconnected the battery on the truck, but closed the hood and locked all the doors. Now, not a big issue, but the key is not unlocking the door. So you turn to the left, nothing. You turn this to the right, and still nothing. On these trucks, they have a grab handle, but the handle is one you have to squeeze together. So there's no point of even trying to break into it. I can't put a little jimmy in there and pop the lock because obviously the battery is disconnected. So how do we get in? Could break the window, or we could break the grill to get access to the hood latch, which is somewhere in here, which is, you have to go through a lot of plastic, and you got the active shutter in the way and a whole bunch of other stuff. So what are my other options? We could call AAA, but they're gonna be in the same dilemma that we're in. So I'm going to show you guys how to break into it without any tools and just a jump box. I have this jump box that I carry around in my Bronco. I bought this on Amazon. It's a GB40, 1000 amps. This works really well. On a full charge, this can stay in the glove box for, man, at least, I've had it in there for 3-4 months, and I put it back on the charger and it's still been like around 75%. So these hold charge pretty well, but I'm going to show you guys on how you can unlock your car by just this. All right, you're going to want to go underneath the passenger side, and you're going to want to look for your starter. Alright guys, so once you're underneath your truck, car, make or model, whatever it is, you want to look at your starter. Once you look at your starter, you're going to have 3 wires. This is going to be a red, smaller wire, which is the solenoid wire, and then you can have a ground wire, which is this bigger black one right here. So you want to locate the red wire, and we're going to hook up the red power cable to that one. And then on the jumper cable, we're going to hook up the black one to the ground wire. You could locate it, you can just ground it off anywhere on the actual frame. It doesn't have to necessarily be here, but to get a good contact, we definitely want to hook it up here. Luckily on this Ford here, they have a little cover here on the back side of this red connector where you can hook up a jumper on it. So it kind of gives us a good little access. So I'll hook it up now. We'll hook up our red cable here. Now this will work on any make or model, guys. All the starters are going to be the same. There's going to be 3 wires. Red, the small one, and the black is the ground. You don't want to hook up any of the wires to the small wire. That's not going to work. Ground cable, which is right here. Once you get all the connectors made, go ahead and grab your jump box here, and we're just going to turn this on. And on this particular one, you can press this button here and it'll boost the signal. Wait for it. Hear that? Once you get that, go ahead and get your keys and unlock it. See? And we're unlocked. So now we can go ahead and disconnect everything and we can get into our truck. All right, let's make sure this worked. There you go. Alright guys, like I said, I'll put the links in the description for this little Noco jump box here. What I got it on Amazon. I think I got it on sale. I think I want to pay like 80 bucks, 70 bucks. I don't know what sure was, but it's a lifesaver. I think it's definitely, you need to have one in each car. Like I said, I'll put all the links in the description of the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.